Okay, it's very simple. First, copy your clip, then overlay it. Then on the overlay, remove the background. Then go to Customize Cutout, then Cutout Stroke. Then do as I do. Then go to Adjust them, follow what I do. Then go to Effect. Then click on Retro Cartoon. Then object to Overlay. And adjust it like I did. Then add a picture of your glass. Then remove the background. Then you're done. This tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more creative content. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Keep crafting, keep creating. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and happy editing.